This morning, when Melanie Coye and her mother Marlene walked out of Supreme Court at just after midday, the family was completely vindicated. After what seemed like a focused and very intense attack by the FIU, which lasted more than 5 years, the ordeal was over.
Well, this morning there was an application, the hearing of an application for the unfreezing of accounts belonging to the Coyes. As you know, those funds have been frozen for quite some time. But contrary to what has been leaked to the media or said on TV, that the Coyes have been having access to these monies over a period of time. In fact, I think they have been getting close to $50,000 on 4-month intervals. So they were not quite without funds for the entire period of time. But this morning, I'm a little out of breath coming up the stairs, but this morning the matter effectively came to an end. The court discharged the order, and so their funds are released.
But for the family, there is little reason to smile. During the prolonged case, Michael Coye died a pauper just days out of prison. And while the victory is unquestionably theirs, government, via the Income Tax Department, has laid claim to and has seized an alleged $3.2 million of Coye financial assets. And according to attorney Dickie Bradley, GOB wanted more than that.
There were 2 applications to ask the judge to please keep the money frozen because they want to come at the money. And in the case of the application that income tax would have want double check, the judge said that they had ample time, and in case of the civil matter, they can pursue that in the regular civil courts. But the criminal case having been completed, the monies that these people have had in the bank, legal, lawful money, which they already paid income tax on over the years, the judge made an order. The freezing order is discharged.
So, could you tell us who has made the application, the civil suit?
The civil suit was represented by Senior Counsel Lisa Schumann on behalf of a company named Internet Express or Internet Experts or something, who is claiming that some of the money is theirs and they want it to remain frozen so they can pursue a claim they already have in the courts.
That civil claim will be played out, no doubt. But at least when they left court this morning, the Coyes were completely free from the dark shadows of the Financial Intelligence Unit and possible criminal prosecution sequels.
Well, I believe it is the end of a very interesting matter, and it is the end because the criminal matter concluded with the appeal, and the time period for putting in an appeal to the CCJ has since expired, and FIU will not appeal further.
The judge said that the criminal case completed on the 4th of March, and there were attempts by the government lawyers to say that income tax want see if they could charge more money. No, they get already, but they know they want to see if they could get more money. And there was a civil suit claimant asking if the judge could freeze the money longer, keep it frozen. You know that they in a freezer so long that hard, I don't know how they want to get it, they can't really. But the judge said this particular freezing order arose from a criminal allegation against the Coyes, and that matter has been finalized in the Court of Appeal.
More than $1.5 million, which was seized from the Coyes' home on New Year's Eve 2008 and used as an exhibit in the criminal case, will also be returned to them.